Introducing the Trifecta Pre-Adjusted Hub Assembly by STEMCO. Combining premier STEMCO wheel end technologies with a trusted Webb wheel hub, the Trifecta Pre-Adjusted Hub Assembly represents the pinnacle of efficiency and roadway safety. The Discover XR is a high-performance, long-life wheel seal. The Zip Torque one-piece advanced axle fastener enables fast and simple installation, and the Defender ESP extended service plug hubcap protects lubricant integrity. Trifecta can be installed on steer, drive, and trailer axles using industry-standard tools. In this video, we'll walk you through the installation process. To begin the Trifecta installation on the drive axle, start by cleaning the spindle and removing all burrs. Apply a light coat of lubricant to the spindle surfaces, using the same lubricant used in the wheel end. The Discover XR does not require pre-lubrication of the seal ID because of STEMCO's patented glide lock technology. Install the Trifecta hub on the spindle, making sure to align the keyway. Rotate the hub clockwise to engage the Zip Torque axle fastener and continue rotating manually until it stops. Unscrew the retainer, remove, and discard. Use a torque wrench to tighten Zip Torque to 200 foot-pounds. Rotate the hub one full rotation. Repeat this procedure 2 more times. Do not back off the axle fastener. Ensuring safety, performance, and confidence on your wheel ends is just as easy as it looks with the STEMCO Trifecta Pre-Adjusted Hub Assembly. To find out more about the STEMCO Trifecta Pre-Adjusted Hub Assembly, visit stemco.com/trifecta.